The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know say Dancehall skill, and right now me I talk to you on a very serious note, right? Me I talk about the stunt riding thing. And so me I say, now I can't tell a man what to do really and truly, you know, because if a man feel like he can do what he want to do, fine. And so me I say, but in my view, stunt riding is a risky thing from day one, you know, trying to do certain things with the bike that is like with some acrobatic aerodynamic stunts. To me, it's very risky, and in my view, I would not do it, and I would not encourage anyone to do it. So I say, and me have a video right, so I want to make sure me tell you, say, please don't try this at home. Alright? Now, I have something to show you. Basically, me I ask a question, right? Because this video I'm gonna show you right about now, me have to ask if this are really stunt riding or something else. Like, I don't know. So because a man lighting gas tank on him bike a fire, right? Me not gonna tell you lie, I have never seen anything like this. I would have never tried something like this, right? But the man light him bike gas tank on fire while riding it. That's the biggest risk in a stunt riding me ever see, to me. You see me? But I don't even know if this is a stunt ride. But anyways, I'm gonna show you this video right about now. You see what I say? But before I make sure I show you, I have to warn you that the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Oh, what's that? Now I am mad! Let him on then, let him on! Let him on then! That's it! Go in here! Let him on! Watch it down!
You see what I'm talking about? Do not try this at home. You see me? That is gas. Gas we are talking about. Not kerosene, no. Not alcohol. We are talking about gas. A highly flammable thing. You see me? I say, notice when you go at a gas station, you see the thing mark no fire. You see the fire with the stripe go through it. That means you say no farmer cigarette. Nothing to do with fire. Nothing to ignite with fire. You get what I say to you? Despite the fact that engine is run by fire, but at the same time, nothing naked flame them want in a gas station, or else you know what's gonna happen. Right? So therefore, it's a big sign so that the gas is dangerous. You see me? Now, I'm not telling a lie, yo. Stunt rider, big you up. You see me? I say, big you up. I have big you up. You see me? I say, I really have to big you up. But at the same time, I tell you, say, what you do is really a risky thing, and you know, to be honest, I want you to reconsider that. As I say, big up yourself still, but it's really risky, and trust me, I would never do that. I would never encourage anybody to do that. As I say, but I guess it is what it is. You see me? But anyways, this is what I leave it to you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about something like this. As I say, you see me? Like, tell me what you feel about a stunt ride like this, or if this is even a stunt ride. Because me ask myself, what kind of stunt ride is this? Yes, I say, alright. But anyways, I don't know, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. As I say, right? My name is Dancehall StUnT. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?